The Pitaka Edge Moonrise case is constructed from aerospace-grade aramid fiber, the same class of material used in protective equipment and high-performance composites. Aramid fibers are valued for their combination of lightweight and exceptional structural strength. Pitaka's fusion weaving process adds another layer of sophistication to the design. Instead of using a single, uniform fiber pattern, the weaving technique integrates multiple color strands into a complex gradient pattern. This creates the distinctive moonrise visual effect while maintaining the structural integrity of the material. Despite its thinness, the case feels extremely durable. The rigid structure resists bending and twisting, providing reliable protection against scratches and minor impacts. The aramid fiber surface is also highly resistant to wear, ensuring the woven pattern retains its color and texture even after extended use. Another important feature is the built-in magnetic ring integrated into the case structure. This allows full compatibility with wireless charging and magnetic accessories without interfering with the slim profile.